Hello friends, welcome to ESR Engineering Simplified by Raghav. Today we are going to analyze Rocky, which is a Holset turbocharger operating on a 3.53 liter diesel engine. Hi, hello everyone, I am Rocky. A turbocharger working inside a 3.53 liter diesel engine. Raghav, after everything that happened during surge, I am still confused. How do engineers know where I am supposed to operate? Where I am actually happiest? Most people think a turbocharger's sweet spot is decided by engine RPM, but that's not how engineers determine it. So, what do they look at? Engineers use something called a compressor map. Think of it as a roadmap of Rocky's behavior. It shows where surge occurs, where choke occurs, and where peak efficiency happens. So my sweet spot is somewhere on that map? Exactly, Rocky, you are right. The center of the highest efficiency Iceland is Rocky's sweet spot. That's where he moves the air most with the least effort. Can we actually find it? So, Rocky, let's use your real data so that we can analyze how you were working for the sweet spot. Let's do some calculations. We will plot this airflow and pressure ratio on the compressor map. Let's use Rocky's real data. We will plot his airflow and pressure ratio on compressor map. Wait, each point is where I was working at a specific engine speed? Correct, Rocky, you are right. Each operating point shows where Rocky was working at a specific engine speed. Connecting them give us operating line, as you can see this one. So where am I happiest? Now look at this region between 1400 to 1800. The flow is stable, pressure ratio is around 2, and high engine torque. Engine torque is maximum. Safe compressor temperature. This is where Rocky's operating line passed through peak efficiency, which is 72, 71 and 69.4. That's why everything felt smooth there. Exactly, Rocky. Now you are getting what is the real compressor map. Reason, there is no surge risk, no choke risk, just smooth and efficient operation. And what happens if airflow drops? If airflow drops, the operating point shifts left on the map. That moves Rocky closer to the surge. I don't want to go back towards surge again. That's why engineers care about the operating line. We don't just design for the boost. We design for stability across the full map. Now I understand. My sweet spot isn't a single RPM. It's a safe and efficient region on the compressor map. For this engine setup, Rocky is most comfortable between 1400 to 1800 RPM. Below that, he moves towards surge, and above that, he gradually moves towards the choke. That's his true operating sweet spot.